Hello and welcome to Light Tech Reviews. Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness of the flashlight on your Samsung Galaxy S10. Now I am on a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, but these steps should apply to the S8 and above, so including the S20 Ultra, all that good stuff. Now to get started, pull down from the top of the screen to reveal the notification bar as well as the quick toggles. Now pull down the quick toggles again to reveal all the buttons that are available on your device. Now if you can't find the flashlight button on your quick toggles menu, go to the three dots on the top right, and then click on button order. Now this will show you buttons here on the top part that you can drag down to where you want your flashlight app or any toggle for that matter to be available. Now I can see the flashlight toggle on the left hand side of my screen, but it may be different for yours. But once you do find it, click on the flashlight word to open up the settings for the flashlight. Now go ahead and turn on the flashlight and then adjust the brightness as necessary. Now typically you'll be on the middle part, but if you want to conserve your battery, you can pull it to the left to decrease the brightness. And of course, if you want it to be a little bit more bright, pull to the right to increase the brightness. Now that's it for this video. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel and enjoy the rest of your day.